Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Newday credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the search box and search Newday Amazon credit card login and press enter. You'll find yourself in the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says login online account manager and this will take you to your Newday's card login portal. Go to the first text box on the right hand side of the screen and type in your username correct. If you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Username above. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username. After you are done, go to the box beneath and if you'd like the system to remember your username for this particular device, give it a click. If not, if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave the box unchecked for your security. After typing in your username, click the next button and on the next page, type in your password in the text box. Get your credentials right and you'll be able to get access to your Amazon credit card online. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.